Hey guys, we're gonna go through the steps for cleaning and maintaining your Memphis grill. You should go through the entire process about once a year. So I just use a Genie multi-tool, or you can use a brush, and you wanna scrape down the grates. You're then gonna wanna flip the grate over and do the exact same thing. Next, you wanna take a putty knife and scrape down the flavorizer, pushing all that grease and bits into the pan below. Now that we've cleaned the flavorizer, we're gonna remove it and scrape down the hood and sides. Remember, seasoning is good for your grill, so don't overclean at this step. And you don't wanna use any chemical cleaners or water inside the grill chamber. Getting the interior wet can short out electrical components. Next, you wanna reinstall the flavorizer and the grill grates bottom side up. Remove the grease pans. And then you want to turn your grill on the highest possible temperature for about 30 minutes. This will burn off any remaining grease, but don't forget the cleaning process. When grease gets hot, it can ignite. While the grill is still hot, scrape down the bottom of the grill grates. If further cleaning is needed, you can just throw them in the dishwasher. After the grill is cooled, take out the flavorizer and the grill grates. Next, vacuum out the interior. Now that we've cleaned out the interior, we want to vacuum out the pellet dust. But first, we need to remove as many pellets as possible. Next, remove the back panel and vacuum out the interior. Locate these two white igniter wires. Unclip the bundle and feed the slack through the grommet. With that extra slack, now we can remove the burn pot. Remove the 4 screws, gently take out the burn pot, and vacuum the interior. When you're done vacuuming, screw the burn pot back into place. Wipe down the interior and replace the grease pans. Reinstall the flavorizer, easy access hatch, and grill grates. Finally, wipe down the exterior with a soft cloth using some soap and water. To remove tarnish, grease, and smoke residue, use a non-abrasive sponge like a Scotch-Brite Blue Soft Sponge with some Barkeeper's Friend. Scrub in straight lines following the grain of the stainless steel. Rinse with wet washcloth to remove any residue. Do not use a hose on the grill. Finally, wipe down with a Weiman stainless steel cleaner. Let the cleaner sit on the grill for a few minutes before wiping and polishing it off. Well, there you go, guys. Your Memphis grill is ready to go for another year. Happy grilling!